Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you your account is restricted in a Facebook and how to fix it. So if you have this issue, your account is restricted for 6 days or 24 hours or in certain time or certain days, you can fix it by go to the help center. Here we go. Open your Facebook app, tap three lines at the top of your screen and try to search help and support here. Here we go. This is help and support, help center. So you can report your problem, report a problem here. Tap again, report problem, creating report, and select product, for example, a profile. And here we go. You can upload your problem screenshot. For example, the account is restricted for some days, and also you can describe the issue that you have, and then you can send the report and wait for the feedback from the Facebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.